Digitalization is talked about in all areas of industry today, and the maritime sector and shipyards should not be an exception. We view 3D laser scanning as one of the key digitalization technologies that they need to implement in order to remain competitive. And to do this in a successful way, we need to look at how they can incorporate 3D scanning into their existing operations and workflows. And 3D laser scanning is a technology that can, with millimeter precision, digitize objects in scale 1:1. In the shipyard, this can be used to scan, for example, a block as it's being produced and verify its geometry to the design drawings.
There is a great potential for 3D scanning applications in the shipyards. We are expecting to improve measurement control, quality control, production planning, and even class processes. So there is a huge demand in establishing a 3D scanning standard and application for the shipbuilding and ship maintenance processes that can bring us to a better efficiency and a greener future. In our case, Ecoprodigi has provided us an opportunity to test 3D scanning in shipyards in 2 major cases. First, we have tested this for the repair cases. 3D scanning of ships prior to arrival of the docks, especially on the installation projects of scrubbers and ballast water treatment systems, gives us an opportunity to virtually plan installation process and helps to save time in a dock. That time can account to 30% of total project time saved for different projects and installations. We have tested 3D scanning for process innovation in Baltic Sea region shipbuilding value chain. Blocks that were built in Klaipėda and assembled at Turku were scanned and were provided with the opportunity to do the virtual installation prior arrival of the blocks. Measurement control and quality control implemented by 3D scanning process give us an opportunity to save more than 1,000 working hours for the block installation in the Turku shipyard.
3D scanning can be used for documentation throughout a vessel's life cycle. In the construction and building phase, it provides highly accurate and objective neutral data of the geometry. And these 2 aspects provide transparency and is beneficial, we think, for both the manufacturing shipyard and the end customer. So the use of the technology can be very beneficial, but it is extremely important that it's implemented according to a standardized way of working. This is the only way that we can ensure that the quality of data is good enough. And data quality is extremely important if the shipyards are to use this for making design decisions on the vessels. And for this purpose, the Ecoprodigi project has developed a set of guidelines that is intended to be used by shipyards. And these guidelines cover both the data collection, data processing, and data delivery that we see as important between the manufacturing shipyards and the end customers. So by working with these digitalization technologies, we hope that the shipyard industry can remain and become even more competitive in this global environment.